On behalf of Matagaramas Tindu Sabha and on my personal behalf as the president of that institution, it's my proud privilege to congratulate our principal Rajiv Desai and his team along with the non-teaching staff. At this juncture, especially I would like to mention the name of our UDC, Mr. Safar, who could make this happen. In fact, out of 256 students, 248 passed. The result was 96.87%. But this result was sort of a different type of results because 80% of the students, they passed with distinction and first class. This is the first time that has happened to our institution. 32 students, they passed in second class. The next plus point for us was 6 students from our institution. They scored 100 out of 100 in maths, psychology and biology. To add to it, 6 students were the toppers in Goa board as far as different type of subjects are concerned. Our student Indira Sansgiri scored 95%, Nikita Batekar scored 92.83%, Rudraksh Bandodkar scored 92%, and Samarth Desai scored 91.83%. I would also like to thank the management of this institution who have given me free hand, because of which I am able to do or give these results. I once again congratulate our principal, his team and non-teaching staff.